Alright, y'all. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so let me show you guys my hair right quick, okay? Because I just got done doing my hair, okay? Alright, so this hairstyle took me probably an hour to do, probably less than that, okay? Now, the back, I had crocheted the back of my hair, and the front part is individual crochet, okay? Now, I had got this hair from Amazon, and this how much hair I have left, which is one pack of hair that is left, okay? So, I'm going to moisturize my hair, okay, with this. And I have some oil, another oil, okay, but I rather spray, okay. And I'm going to show you guys probably three styles, okay, of this here. Ooh.
Yeah.
Put my hair in a little ponytail. Because I love my hair in ponytails. Look cute. I want to show you guys the back too. In a few minutes. Now, I'm definitely going to like spray the hair too. Now, you can get you some mousse or you can use some oil sheen. That's fine too. But I think I like this hairstyle better, you know. Now, if I had some scissors, I would cut the ends right here because it's longer than this side. But I can't find my scissors. So it's just going to be just like this. Hmm. Now, I'm going to spray this on my curls and locks, of course. And that's it. Okay? You know what? Because I'm just going to put some on in my hand, rub it, oil it, and do it like that. Yeah. Yes. I definitely love this hairstyle right here. Okay. All right. So, ooh, hold up. Let me show you guys the back of my hair, and that's it. Then I'm going to end the video, y'all. All right. So, show you guys the back of my hair. Okay. What it look like? What it look like? I like it. I like it. Alright, y'all. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate all of y'all. Okay, you gotta let me know what hair styles you want to see me do. Hopefully I can do it. And you gotta let me know what other videos you want to see me do. It depends on what it is. Okay, so I love you, God loves you, and I'm praying for all of y'all, okay? So be blessed and peace out.